Hello children, welcome to your new EVS class. Children, in our today's class, we are going to learn a new chapter and the name of the chapter is From Market to Home. Children, in this chapter, there are so many things which you will come to know. Okay, so let us start our chapter. My name is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. My mother, Bhai, Chotu and I help father with his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? At 3 o'clock in the morning. See children, this is the story of a little girl Vaishali. And imagine children, when does she get up in the morning? Yes, you are right, at 3 o'clock. You must be thinking at 3 o'clock there is night. So why Vaishali is calling 3 o'clock in the morning? Because children, after 12 o'clock, a new day starts. So after 12 o'clock, it is called next day only. And that's why Vaishali has written 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, because she is talking about the next day. When most people are fast asleep, we start our work. So children, most of us sleep at 3 o'clock at night, right? But Vaishali and her family, they start their work at 3 o'clock. What does she do? Taking out the previous day's vegetable from the gunny bags and baskets and arrange them. On the other hand, preparation of bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Mandi children, mandi means it is a Hindi word, okay? And the meaning of the word mandi is big market. So, what does she do? At 3 o'clock, taking out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags. So, her father is a vegetable seller. So, those vegetables which are left out on the previous day at 3 o'clock, Vaishali and her family, they take out those vegetables and arrange them. And on the other hand, they also prepare of bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes Chotu also helps us. Chotu means younger brother of Vaishali. So sometimes Chotu also help them. As soon as we had our tea after finishing the work, we heard the horn of a tempo. It is time for father, bhaiya, uncle and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. So children, in Vaishali's neighborhood, there are other people also who are vegetable sellers. And there is a tempo in the morning for them to take to the mandi. So father, bhaiya, uncle and some other people from the street, they leave for the mandi in the morning. Let us move towards children the next page. Does anyone in your house get up very early? What time does he or she get up? And what do they need to get up so early? Why do they need? So children, at your home also, who gets up early? So usually mother gets up early. So you can write the answer like, my mother gets up early in my house to clean the house and make breakfast or go to office. Some working mother are also there. So in the morning they have to clean the house, they have to do all the work and then go to the office. So whatever is suitable to you, you can write your answer. Next paragraph, preparing for the day. Mother Chotu, and I put the previous day's vegetables in gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. Now, after that, what do Mother, Chotu and Vaishali do? All three of them put previous day's vegetables in gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. Why do they sprinkle water on vegetables? So that they may not get spoiled early. Okay? By 6:30 a.m., Father is back from the mandi with the baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. So, by 6:30 in the morning, Father comes back from the mandi with vegetables. At that time, our house looks more like a small vegetable market. And when Father comes back with lots of vegetables, the house looks like a small vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra. Okra means children, bhindi. In English, it is called lady's finger. Pumpkin, gourds, chilies, and many other vegetables all around. Everybody help us in sorting out the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and not ready to sell are kept aside. Now what do they sort out? Those vegetables which are ripe and those vegetables which are not. So they separate those vegetables. We have to sort out vegetables fast, so as to reach the market as early as possible. And this work they have to do very fast because they have to go to market as early as possible to sell them. By 7 o'clock, Father arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the market. Now children, you must have seen hand cart around your home also. Mostly vegetable sellers come with these only, okay, with full of vegetables. So you must have seen hand cart. It is given here in the picture also. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyer may buy their vegetables from someone else. So Father has to reach as early as possible to the market, because if he would be late, then those buyers who are his regular buyers would buy their vegetables from someone else. As soon as Father leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30 a.m. Children, when you were coming to school, you may be knowing that you do nothing else but only getting ready and coming to school. But look at Vaishali, okay? This little girl does all the work and helps her family, and then by 7:30 finishes all her work, and then at 7:30 she goes to school also. Isn't it amazing? Now let us come to the next page in the market. Chotu attends school in the morning. He goes to market at 10 a.m. with food for father and Bhai. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Sometime he goes directly from school to help his father. Father tries to sell previous day's vegetables first. Now Vaishali's little brother Chotu also, okay, after attending the school, Vaishali's younger brother also helps his father in selling the vegetables. Think and tell. Father sells the previous day's vegetables first. Why do you think he does this? So children, you have to think and tell why Vaishali's father sells previous day's vegetables first. The reason is because previous day's vegetables may get spoiled very early. Okay. There is possibility that because they are previous day's vegetables, so they may get spoiled early. And that's the reason father sells previous day's vegetables first. Next question is, have you seen dried or rotten vegetables? Where? So children, where have you seen dried or rotten vegetables? At your home, okay, or in the market also. Those vegetables which are dried, rotten and not looking good, they would throw them. How did you know that the vegetables were rotten? So how do you come to know that these vegetables are not good enough and they are rotten? Okay, by looking the color of the vegetables, by getting the foul smell, okay, and by tasting them sometimes we come to know that these vegetables are rotten. As the previous day's vegetables get sold, Bhai takes out fresh vegetables from the sacks and puts them in the cart. He also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables. Why sprinkling water is very essential, children? I told you earlier also, because to keep the vegetables fresh, so that they do not dry up, especially in summer. Father and Bhai return around 10 o'clock at night. So after selling the vegetables around 10 o'clock at night, Vaishali's father and Bhai return to home. By then, Chotu and I sleep. Everyone else sleeps around 11 to 11:30 at night and the next day wake up early again. So what is the time for them to wake up at next day? Yes, around 3 o'clock. Now let us discuss some questions. Look at the clocks given below. Write what do you and what you do and what Vaishali does at the time which the clocks are showing.